Now, what we do know, Mike, is that there is surveillance video of what happened. It's kind of grainy, can't 100% tell what's going on, but what you can tell from that video is that he did embellish a little bit. What he tells them is that he attacked him, the guy attacked him, and that he was swinging at him. It's not clear whether he attacked him or not. You can get into that a little bit, but what is clear is that there was no swinging going on. How much will that end up hurting him? Again, this is directly after the incident. He's saying these things, maybe going on his head, a lot going on. What do you make of that aspect of it?
I use Greek mythology to describe these cases all the time, and now I'll say that the gods of the jury are always offended if you feel that you are offending their intelligence or lying to them. It never is good. There have been so many cases where a defendant, we know later on, was exonerated because other evidence came out, but was convicted because they said something that was a fib, was a lie, was an embellishment. This is a material germane fact of this case, whether or not he was swinging at him, right? Because if you're a juror at the end of this case and you're deliberating and you say, this guy's making up a story. He said things that ended up not being true. How can we believe that he was defending himself? And at the end of the day, he shot the guy who was unarmed. So it's going to be very bad for them. This aspect of it will be very bad for the defense.
Yeah, and again, the idea is, why would he try to embellish if he thought he was completely in the right? Right? He's trying to make it seem worse than it is, so it certainly doesn't bode well for him as far as that fact is concerned. Michael, stand by. I want to take a break.